In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a checklist in Trello. Checklists are a great way to break bigger tasks into smaller, manageable steps, and Trello makes this really simple. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to add a checklist to any card and start tracking your progress. First, open your Trello board in your browser. Make sure you're logged into your account, then navigate to the specific board where you want to work. This might be a project board, a personal to-do list, or any other board you already use. Once the board is open, you'll see your lists and the cards inside them. Next, click on the card where you want to create a checklist. This could be a task like launch campaign, plan event, or anything else that has multiple steps. Clicking the card will open a detailed view in the center of your screen. This is where you can see descriptions, comments, due dates, attachments and amends, and of course checklists. Inside that card, look for the checklist option on the right-hand side, usually under the Add to Cards section. Go ahead and click on Checklist. This tells Trello you want to attach a new checklist to this specific card. A small window will appear asking you to name your checklist. This is a great moment to think about what the checklist is for. You can give it a clear, descriptive name like launch tasks, meeting prep, or shopping list. Type the name into the field. Naming your checklist properly makes it much easier to scan the card later and instantly understand what those items relate to. Once you've typed the name, click on the Add button. Trello will create the checklist and display it right inside the card, usually with an empty field ready for your first item. Now, click into that first checklist item field and type your first task. Keep each item specific and actionable, like draft outline, email designer, or book venue. When you're done typing the first item, press Enter on your keyboard. Trello will save that item and automatically create a new empty line underneath. Repeat this process for your second item and then continue adding as many checklist items as you need. Type the task, press Enter, and move on to the next one. Keep going until you're satisfied that all the steps for this card are listed. You can always come back later to add, edit, or remove items as your work evolves. And that's it. You've successfully created a checklist in Trello and filled it with the steps you need to get your task done.